Hi everyone! Today, let's explore some countries in Asia that every flower and garden lover will surely enjoy. I would like to put Hong Kong Disneyland on the list, but unless you have a little human, that is also a good place to see flora beauties. Let's start to a place where hydrangeas are found everywhere in almost every corner.
So I reached to this place which has very nice flowers and lots of hibiscus. Maybe it's also some tourists. So it is actually a nice walk here, and the place is cool, like about 18 or 17 degrees. Everybody kind of wears a sweater, but just wear a normal standard shirt. But it is really a nice walk. Lots of beautiful flowers.
Hey guys, welcome back here in Dalat. Today I will bring you to a quick tour of this place. This is actually a resort, a little bit elevated in the city here in Dalat. And if you're a gardening enthusiast like me, I'm gonna bring you also to the shop where they sell a variety of plants.
I believe they made this as a recovery area for the plants from their display. So there is a Mayana right there. Here also. And those are the strawberries on the other side.
Known to be the city of eternal spring with average temperature of 15 to 23 degrees year round, this serves as a conducive place to grow most flowers. In public or paid parks, there are a lot of these around. Hydrangeas are very unique, that the difference in soil acidity changes the color or determine the color. Blue means acidic soil and pink means alkaline. When was the last time you saw a blue flower? Well, aside from a blue ternate, that's why I'm so fascinated every single time I just see them around and people just look at them as if they're just nothing. This is at the train station and can't hold myself for a selfie. They also use this as a cut flowers. This is my favorite park in the lot. This is just very near to the Futa bus station. Everywhere I see exotic flowers. Well, exotic relative to where I am. Like, yeah, I am a beach babe. And these flowers in the cooler climate really fascinate me. Look at this. This is even a cherry blossom right here. Found the cherry blossom while walking after breakfast in the hillside. Yeah, I get it. This is not the best picture of me, but there are nice flowers everywhere in the city. In almost everywhere you look, there is a beauty in almost every corner. The people appreciate the plants here and they care for their environment. I connected with a local and he showed me this lily plantation, not really plantation, but this is in a greenhouse and they would be ready in 2 weeks' time. I love how the Vietnamese government really ensure that their parks are well maintained. Roses in all forms, colors, and varieties are here and can be found in this area. In the flower garden, these are arranged according to colors. It's just really cool to see beds of flowers in the same variety. Even in private places, they are already accustomed to decorate and plant nice flowers around their area. Take a look at the courtyard of the accommodation.
Lovely on Rose Garden. Lots of flowers actually. Can't really see it from this perspective, but there are really nice group of roses. This is a pool, no, fountain pool. There's no pool here. You can even see some heaters on. There is another bunch of flowers, and there is a cafeteria right here which sells cake, so you can have some snacks in this quaint and dainty area. So
If you are a fan, visit Dalat soon. 4,900 feet above sea level, and guess who I saw? I have made a separate video about what to do in the lot. I'm gonna link it up in case you wanted to check that out. From here, let's go to Korea. South Korea is one of the most clean and highly organized city I've been to. Just like Vietnam, full of life with a good mixture of what is new and what is the tradition. If you are in South Korea, you might want to explore this place called the Garden of the Morning Calm. We were here with my friends towards the late fall, so we are still so blessed to see all of this around despite the few days approaching the frost. As you can tell, some section of the garden is so ready for winter, but this big juniper is not. It was such a cold morning, and I'm not sure if these flowers are happy about that. Despite the cold, this is still a scene to see. I am not into Korean drama, but they said a popular one is being shot here in this cottage in this area. Just don't mainly plant their flowers. As you noticed here, they even put it really nicely. And yeah, Korea is the place where I first saw a rose tip. From here, let's go somewhere warmer. As we know, Singapore is the major hub for IT and business. But we can't deny that this is one of the famous places if you want to see some gardens and flowers. Everything is here, from phalaenopsis orchids to some exotic flowers. They are all here. It doesn't just feel so natural to see these flowers around in a dome, like it doesn't feel like it's their natural, well, for apparent reason, not their natural habitat. There are succulents here and also cactus, which looks like, yeah, you know, the one, yeah, that you're thinking. This is Venus flytrap. Venus flytrap is a carnivorous plant. Yes, they eat mosquitoes, bugs, and yeah, somehow also worms. This is a way more healthier azalea than what I saw in Vietnam. All colors of daisies are here. I even saw an olive tree, if I'm not mistaken. This is a kiat and a lot more colorful flowers that I highly suggest you check on yourself. This will already greet you in the airport. This is an Instagram friendly location, if that is how you roll. Time to have some quick break with friends.
Super nice here in this windy afternoon right here. They're a little bit 360. I know maybe this time we can't see that much, but I wanted to show orange. And yeah, that's basically here. The flyer is right there, if you can see that.
Yeah, and the Helix
Right there.
Bridge as well, which is really famous. This bridge on the side, it's really pretty.
What's the name of that bridge?
Helix, it's Helix
Or
Bridge.
DNA.
Yeah, DNA Bridge.
Okay, got that.
Thank you sa kung self diri na.
Time to catch the red-eye flight as my shift starts early. Welcome to Davao, a place that you can also have a quick trip to the city of Samal. The Eden Garden is a big property. They also produce actual fruits to supermarkets, not just like an attraction. This is at the south part of the Philippines, as tropical as it gets, surely, and it is warmer than in Manila. These petunias are actually barely holding it as the day becomes super hot. In here, attraction that doesn't just limit in flowers and trees. They have plantations of herbs, dragon fruit. This is actually a plantation of a yellow dragon fruit. This is a very kid-friendly area. They can go roam around and there are activities aside from looking at some gardens. Showing them our culture and discussing about tribes is very new, I would say, in this experience. Even share traditional medicine that our ancestors are using. These two chilling right here are also the attraction in this place. They also have a butterfly sanctuary. The Eden Nature Park Resort can easily fill your day.